You are welcome back to my channel. I want to show you how to study the inner part, inner surface of a bottom clipper blade. When you sharpen your clipper blade finish, then you tested it with freehand testing styling method, or you mount it into your clipper. Then you now on the clipper down like 1 hour. After you switch off the clipper, then you remove the two clipper, the upper and the bottom blade. You now pick the bottom blade, you clean the inner surface very well, you clean the entire body. You now show it to the strain. Then after showing it, it now gives you this sign on the surface. Try to get me right. How to study the inner surface of a bottom clipper blade. If you test the upper and the bottom clipper blade, and it's giving you this sign on the surface here. This sign you see on this surface, it is the upper blade that gave it on this bottom blade. Yeah. Now you want to confirm without testing it with the hair, with mass of hair. You want to know the part that is working, the part that is not working. When you mount into your clipper and you run it properly, you put the hair. You now test with ear side by side. From this side, you test here, you test here, you test here, you test here, you test here. You now want to know the part that is working. But without mounting it into your clipper, then you put it down like this. You want to study it. You can be able to know the part that is working, the part that is not cutting hair. Yeah, let's go now. Let us watch carefully now. Let us start from the back here. You know, I used to tell you, the sharpening starts immediately after this hole. This is where your sharpening starts. Covers here like this. Try to take note. Immediately after these two holes, it covers to this area. Then when you watch the back here, where the upper blade used to rest on top of the bottom blade. Assuming this is the upper, this is the upper blade. This is the upper blade. Now, can you see it like this? Can you see it like this? When you gap it, it will close like this, which means you see where this one lay, where it comes here. At the same time, when you put it at the center, you adjust your lever to the middle. It comes like this. Can you see where it lays? Where this the back side now come to. When you now put it, you adjust your adjustment lever down, finish. Can you see it? At 100% down. See where it says. That is why I tell you. See where it stays here. See where it stops. That is why I used to tell you that when you are sharpening, your sharpening starts immediately after the two holes. Can you see it now? So let me remove the upper blade now. Can you see where it stops here? So which means the upper blade used to walk to this area. It used to reach this area. Can you see it? So when you look at the sharpening now, from here to here. Now look at this stainless. Look at the stainless from here, reach here. Then look at the stainless from here, reach here. Can you see it? But it's lightly here. Lightly here. Which means the upper blade on top of this one. At the back of it here, there is gap. It doesn't lay on top of the bottom blade here. Can you see it? This place is cut off at the upper at the inner surface of the upper blade. So that is why you see sign here, which means the upper blade lays here. At the same time, lays here too. So which means the upper blade lay properly well at the back. Can you see it? Then when you come to the front here, when you come to the front, from the front to this side, you sharpen it all from here to here too. You sharpen it, which means the sharpening starts immediately after the two holes here, cover to the front. Starting from here, covers to the front. Can you see it? Start from here, covers to the front. Then when you now look the inner surface of this blade now, look at it very well. You can see stainless here. This area I'm circling. You see my pointer here. You can see the stainless faintly at the top here. Then you can see the stainless goes from here to the mouth here. Then you can see the faint in form of arc here. Can you see it here? Then see the faint the stainless here. Can you see it? Then when we now draw the line for where the stainless is now, watch my pointer. Can you see? Watch my pointer from here like this. Follow it up properly. Follow it up properly. Can you see it now? Let me come again. Starting from here like this. Like this. Like this. Which means the upper part of it is stainless. Which means when you put the upper blade on top of this bottom blade and you test it, when you gap it, all this mouth will work because there is stainless show from the left hand side to the right hand side here. Which means when you gap it from here like this, see where I position my pointer. Can you see it? The stainless shows here from the left hand side to the right hand side. So when you gap it and you test it, this blade now, it can do total scraping. This one you are looking at, it can do total scraping. Number one, it can do trimming very well. Number two, it can give frictioning. If you want to shape your hairstyle, you want to give it shape in the front and the back, the side, it can do it properly. Then if you want to do pattern, if you want to make pattern on the head or patterns, maybe you want to draw butterfly, you want to draw bird, something of that nature on the head. This can do it now. This one can do it. But when you now watch properly, see where the stainless starts. Let's come again. Can you see it from here like this? Come like this. Can you see it? Come like this. Which means this black area, let me circle it. This black area from here like this arc like this arc like this. Can you see where I'm circling? This black area like this. Like this. This black area is not touching. The area I'm circling now, this dark areas like this, it's not touching with the upper blade. Yeah, it's not touching. This black area is not touching. The stainless part of it in the front like this is the one touching with the upper blade. So when you adjust your upper blade from the front, from center gap, you now put it at 50% gap at the center here. Let me show you here. At the center, you now adjust your adjuster lever, come to the center here, 50% gap here. Which means from this side, look at this stainless. At this stainless come like this, it stops here. All this area can cut air at the 50% gap. From this area, this dark area, reach here, it will not cut. When you adjust the upper blade, come to the center here. From here to here will not cut. Then when you now come from this stainless again, from this stainless, this arc to this side, it will cut air. Can you see it? Then when you now come from this dark area to this area, the machine will not cut as 50% gap. It will not cut. This area will not cut. Then when you now come from here to here, it will cut here. So this portion can cut. From here to here can cut. From here to here can cut. You understand it now? But when you look at it from this dark area, this arc, this dark area from here to here cannot cut. From here to here cannot cut at 50% gap. From here to here cannot cut. Can you see? When you now adjust your lever down, finish. That is 100% gap. This is 100% gap. When you adjust the upper blade, you adjust the adjuster lever down to give you low cut S-type. You adjust your upper blade to come to this side, the mouth to come to this side. This side from here to here can cut. From here to here can cut. Can you see it? So from here to here can cut. Can you see it? This stainless. And at the same time, from here to here can cut. These three places from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here can cut. Then when you come into this black area, Look at it very well. From here to this area. From this area to this area cannot cut here when you put it at 100% gap. At the same time, from here, watch this black area to here. It cannot cut when you put it in 100% gap. Try to know the meaning. When you put the upper blade to close at the mouth, that is 0% gap. You zero gap it here. Then when you now carry it to the back, finish. Look at it like this. This is 100% gap. Start to understand me. Then when you now bring it to the center here, can you see like this? This is 50% gap. This is what I mean. So when you put when you adjust the blade, adjust that lever to cut to zero gap, the whole mouth can cut air. It can scrape very well. It can do trimming very well. Then it can give patterns or patterns the size very well. It can do those 4 things perfectly. 4 things perfectly. Now, when you now move it, look at it like this. When you now move it to the 50% gap, this is 50% gap now. Look at the mouth. From this area, this stainless area reach here can cut air. From this stainless area reach here can cut air. From this stainless area reach here can cut at the 50% gap. See where this darkness is. This dark area. This center will not work. It cannot cut air like this at 50% gap. Can you see it? At the same time, from here to this side, this black area cannot cut air at 50% gap. Then when we now move it to 100% gap like this, can you see like this? This is you have adjusted your lever down, finish. Then the upper blade has come to the back. This is the last washer it can stop. This is 100% gap. Then when you now watch from this side to this side, it can cut. Can you see it? Then from this side to this side can cut. Then from this center here, see the area I'm touching here, it can cut. Look at this from here to here. This dark area cannot cut here. From here, this dark area to this dark area, it cannot cut. So that is how to study the inner part of the bottom blade. Can you see it? That is part 1. This is part 1 now. We have just started. I'll be showing you different type of surfaces. So I'll be bringing them into YouTube to show you, so that you can be able to study the inner part. When you look at the inner part of the blade, you can be able to identify the part that is working, the part that is not working. When you sharpen your clipper blade finish, and you test it with ordinary hand, or you want it in your clipper blade, you now test it. You understand me? So when you test it now, you can be able to know the part that is cutting here or that will cut here fine, the part that cannot cut. So not until you want it to your clipper blade and test with air. That one is still part of it. We are coming to that one, but we are in this tutorial now how to study the inner surface of a bottom blade, bottom clipper blade. Can you see it now? Can you see how the surface is? Yeah, you can see how the surface is. Yeah. So before we go, please subscribe to this channel for you to see more of my tutorials. Thank you.